Hey, it's me.
You are welcome.
My dear, today I'm just resuming work. You see this katakata oil and gas company, they are the best.
You don't mean it?
Sit down, let me gist you.
Hey!
Today, as we go to the office, they say they will give us official car, house in Banana Island. Hey, do you know the one that we turn your brain now?
Tell me.
If I just die, now they will give you 200 million.
They lie.
This man!
They say if I die with immediate effect, they will give you 200 million.
They will give who? Me?
You, baby, you. 200 million.
I'm looking for Katakata Oil and Gas Company. Limited. This way. Thank you, my dear. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, young man.
I was the person knocking.
Okay.
Yes.
What can we do for you, please?
Please, is this Katakata Oil and Gas Nigeria Limited?
Yes. This is Katakata Oil and Gas Company.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My wife works here.
Okay. Please, who is she? Who is your wife?
Mrs. Winifred Ezokonkwo.
Oh, the lady that resumed today.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, the other lady.
Yeah, the lady that resumed today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Actually, my wife is dead. She's dead.
Ah,
Oh,
So-
my God.
that lady.
Oga, leave that lady. It's my wife. It's not your wife. Don't cry for me.
Oh, my
Please.
God.
Actually, I'm here because my wife told me that when she dies, that people will give me 200 million. Hey! So you people should take and go and put my money for me.
Which 200 million?
200 million? I don't understand.
My wife told me that when she dies, that the company will give me 200 million.
Is insurance.
Okay, the premium insurance.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is just put it here.
No. Insurance,
Yeah, but
okay.
it's not right. You have to work with us for minimum
Yes,
5
yes.
working days.
Yes.
At least 5 working days.
Yes.
I don't understand. So she does not qualify for.
No, not at all.
So how much do you people give me now? That she work one day.
Let's go inside. There is nothing. We cannot pay anything now because she's not right.
I don't understand what you people.
We are not a
My
form
wife
to
told me that
eh?
you said that
You be mumu.
I don't suffer no be small. Ọmọ say I get sense. Poverty no good at all o.
Naija we dey.